What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. And today I have two possible things I can do. We're gonna drive over there and see how much it is to rent a U-Haul. If not, I'm gonna have to wait, or if they don't have like a truck and trailer, because I can't. I don't want to drive all the way to Ronnie's to get his trailer because his tires kind of messed up on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Go check out U-Haul and see how much a truck and trailer rental would be, and at least try to get maybe my Z down there today, because my Prelude, like the starter is being weird or something, I don't know, but I gotta fix that so I can actually drive it onto the trailer, because I'm definitely not asking Chris to use his trailer with the winch, because I don't want to ask the guy for like any type of fucking handouts or favors whatsoever. So yeah, I'm gonna go check that out and I'll get back to you guys. And if not, I'm gonna head to Tractor Supply and get some hinges. So I'll be met with the freaking folding work table thing today. Damn it! The only freaking auto transport trailer they have, and obviously I can't use the dollies because the car's not registered. You gotta have a registered car to use a dolly. If any wheels touch the road, obviously, but they're not it's like under repair or something like that. And like my boy CJ works here, and I was just talking to him, and he's like, yeah, he's like, I don't even know, like the corporate has to come fix whatever's wrong with it. I'm like, shit. Butte. Look at them racelands, boy. Well, at the very least, I get to do the damn table today. Hello. What are you doing?
Just watching this thing fill up with smoke.
Yeah?
I don't have fuel in here, I don't think. I think I might need to go and get some.
So what are you about to do?
I want them couches up there.
Okay.
And then we have all of that room.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a fat friggin' spot right there.
Yeah. Boom.
Okay. Forgot to film, but clearly this thing has to move, so I unbolted it. Oops. There we go. Now I unbolted it. I'm gonna go here, hinge to the wall. Like Ronnie said, I'm just gonna friggin' hinge it, bolt it, and then go ahead and flip it up, cut off the legs, and then hinge the front legs. And then it should make a nice boom. Oh, what? This dude just ripped it off. Didn't even have to cut it. I think I could just use a grinding wheel.
It reminds me of an E36 fucking knuckle.
What? Snapping metal?
Old Hager video.
So I got these shit grinded off. Grind it down, you know, very nice. Got these right here. I'm gonna weld them with the flux core jamie. This is, and then yeah, drill some holes, 2 fat bolts in there, and we're mint. This is true Haggard. This table has only seen flux core welds.
Mint arc shot, dude.
Is it really?
Yep.
What up, guy? What this here?
Dude, this shit looks fucking good.
Looks fire. We're
Dude,
the first
this
time
shit,
we came here.
hell yeah, quick as fuck, dude. Damn.
All right, Ronnie got that arc shot, so that was pretty dope. But I mean, not horrible for you know, or not horrible for flux core, I guess. It's not like nice, but it's better than like giant blobs. I did the corner right here, across, and over there. So I'm gonna go do that side. So those are on there. Ew, good.
Fucker to put.
You can do it. Yeah. Oh, whoop. Ronnie said quick, get the camera on it. Burnout in here.
Should be the intro.
It should be the intro. He's out. Yeah, Ronnie's fucking bugging out, dude. So, we got the deal. I missed this one, I guess. I drilled the hole out too big. Now it's good. Hello. Holy shit, bitch, motherfucking asshole.
Dude, I was gonna ask you if that was gonna get.
I didn't think it would because it's even on the studs.
Get it? Wood? Is it hitting here or here?
It's hitting like here, somewhere over there. Yeah, I cracked the damn wood, but you get it. We're gonna cut at this line. I was wondering, yeah, see, like that looks straight. That one looks all types of friggin' dookie fadookie mookie. Okay, it's good. Should hopefully maybe possibly fit now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's just that piece of metal?
Yeah, just fucking chop that shit. Just chop it real quick.
Well, I could probably use it for something. So I'm just gonna chop it a little bit shorter, like right here.
Yeah.
Mint. Well, Josh just held this up and friggin' I just put this here hook. Like that's obviously not gonna friggin' go anywhere. So I'm just gonna tighten up that thing up there and chop all these legs off actually, and then weld the hinges to these front legs. We should be good. All right, so I got the bottom legs off. For the top ones, what I'm gonna do, because on these I just cut the top and then they just broke off. So I'm welding this to them first. Then I'm gonna cut the top right here. I'm gonna put the table down, cut the top, and when I fold it up, it should, you know, fold up. Yep, sit, whoops. Folding fucking legs. He's getting those fucking 285s.
Oh yeah.
On that Koenig, dude. If that wasn't a Koenig wheel, you'd be blowing out your back right now with that tire weight on top of it. So we're gonna move as much as we can up there, including, you know, this, freaking all this stuff. Besides this stuff, I don't know. Fridge, we're gonna attempt to do just with the lift gate. It might be a little sketchy, but I think we can do it. And what else? My toolbox, I'm just gonna move to one of the corners, probably that corner, and yeah. Everything will be up there and this place will be ready to accept the cars tomorrow, or one of them, or whatever, like whatever we can do, we can do. All right, I say we just both fucking pick up like these corners right here, just lift straight up. 2, 3. Yep.
Alright, go up there.
Go up there?
Yeah, good.
I was like, you sure? Yeah, fuck it, just lay it. Who cares? I just won't turn it on. Lift gates are fucking legit. Still got room for the trash can? Man, people keep telling me to put freaking things here, but This is why I didn't, because I have to get this up here. Yeah, I don't know. So maybe at some point I'll put railings here. I really just don't like the look of railings. All right, go ahead. Cake. Liftgate boys.
Fucking, like they have no idea.
Yeah, you're saying that on videos it looks a lot smaller, which I agree, because on video it's like you're seeing, because of the wide angle, you're seeing me and probably the ceiling and probably over here. Yeah, exactly. So, but like,
it's not small.
Like it's not like look at the headroom here, and that's the reason we did it. We did it right like in the middle. Like this loft is dead center of the height of this, because we wanted equal headroom up here as down there.
I mean, even the truck looks kind of tiny down there.
Yeah. Oh shit! I gotta pull my Subaru in. I want to see what it looks like with the Subi in here. Sweet. Nothing on the fucking floor, guys. Nothing even on the friggin' the back floor. You know, the friggin' table's folded up now. Looks ugly, but it's okay. A little bit. The fucking flames that this thing shoots is mint.
Oh yeah, that thing's insane.
I'm my bay out with oil. I mean, that's a little closer to the wall than I'm going to need to be, but hell yeah, we're fitting 2 cars in here, dude. Damn, I could move this car out.
It actually fit better than I thought it was gonna.
Yeah.
It really doesn't like take that much room up in there as I thought.
It's less than half, and I think this is wider than my Prelude. So my Prelude is slightly less wide than my Z is, but I mean, if it's ruined, because if I say I put a lift here, I couldn't put 2 cars in here.
Yeah.
Or I'd have like if I put a lift in here, I would have
no loft.
Yeah, I would have to have no loft. Like the loft can hold all that storage. All you can store on a lift is a car. So that's my reason for not caring about a lift. But I mean, that's dope. I'm hyped. You hear that, YouTube? Vape.
Take all of it.
Take it. But yeah, plenty of room. There's about probably 14 feet from there to my car. So very nice. Table. Project table, folding table is very. This is the most folded table I believe to be in existence. I took everything off of it besides the vise because I welded that, and I also am gonna use that. But yeah, we're freaking. Yeah, they don't line up perfectly, but I mean, once they come down, they come down. You know, all I gotta do is pull the car forward another like 3 feet, and the table will fold down. But for storage purposes, that's why I did this. It's a good spot. It's right in the middle. Box right next to it. Welder's there. That's Ronnie's, but I just kind of put that there to kind of just imagine what my welder would look like there. I'm going to go on Amazon the second I get home and buy that friggin'... Maybe I'll buy 2 of those lighting kits. So I'll have... Oh shit, I'll have 12 like 44-inch LED lights. And I'll just put them everywhere. I want to make this place lit AF. Like I want to be able.
Dumb, right?
Like if I want to paint in here, I want it to be like, okay, flip a switch and then cover this with plastic so none of the paint goes that way, and boom, just painting this thing, dude. Like, yeah, I'm just probably gonna just paint the Prelude right here, to be honest. And that's the end of this video, I guess. Got the table done, get everything friggin'. Shout out to Josh again.
Oh yeah.
Got the freaking fridge and everything up there, dude.
Oh fuck yeah.
Now I just gotta do the dreadful task of getting my 2 cars from the other shop, getting them in here, and the 2 dirt bikes, and like I think it's just tools and like a table. I'm probably just gonna throw the table away. I don't really need it, but yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you tell these motherfuckers, dude. Tell these guys.
Dude, fucking subscribe. We don't want to hear no fucking negative comments. Nobody.
No negative comments
here. There is nothing on the floor. The lighting is coming. We don't want to hear any of that. Any of that.
You guys
None of it.
Don't be dicks, you know. I'm hyped. Be happy for your boy, damn it.
All the comments. Nothing.
Yeah.
Good thing.
Be nice, you fucks. Nah, but anyways. Looking dope. I'll see you guys next time. Freaking peace out. I gotta go home because my upload time's about 2 hours because of shit Wi-Fi. Peace out.